Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see liked post on Instagram. So you might be trying to figure out how you can see photos that you liked on Instagram. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application in your mobile. And when you are here, the next thing that we are going to do is, which is very basic, just tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap on these three bars in the upper right corner, and then you will find these options. You have to tap on this your activity. Now when we are in this panel, what we are going to do is, now we have to find things that we want to go ahead and view. You can see these options: likes, comments, tags, sticker and reviews. So now what we can do is, we can go ahead, if you want to see the photos that you have liked, you can go ahead and essentially click on this likes right there, and then it will go ahead and show you all of the photos that you ended up liking. So now if you want, you can visit all these photos that you have liked before, and that's pretty much all you are going to have to do. You can scroll through these photos and you can find the photos that you have liked or the videos that you have liked, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.